Alright, afternoon YouTube. This is like an antique. I wanted to show y'all. This was gifted to me by a coworker. This is an old school linear open frame power supply. 12 volt to 15 volt. And it's got tight regulations, transformer. So this is probably, look at this, these burn in, 100% 4-hour burn in. When have you heard that? How long has it been since you heard that? So the efficiency, I haven't looked all the way through this. It might list it on here. I'm not seeing it, but it's probably fairly low. I'm gonna play with it though. Hector might find interest in this because this is how they used to make it back in the day, man. And I miss this because it was so easy to fix, so easy, and I mean the components are basically the same. They just get way smaller. So that transformer. It's kind of old news, but can still probably resonate it and get a little more efficiency out. I'm just going to play with this. I didn't, it was gifted to me again for free. So if you want to see the kind of the specs of this thing. Yeah. It's pretty interesting. I couldn't say no to it. I mean, I was like, man, I got to check that out. And then that's the dimensions and stuff. But yeah. So pretty cool, huh? I don't know what I'm gonna do with it other than resonate it, but and I might, if nothing else, I could take that transformer off because it's not very high wattage either. Man, I want to say it was only like 2 amps. Is that what it said? Yeah, it's not much, man. 12 volts or 15 at 1.5, so that's not very much power. It would charge a battery though. It could run a lot of stuff, and this would probably run forever almost. That capacitor, oh, there's no telling if that's still any good. It hasn't ever been used. This was brand new in the package, so anyway, hope y'all like that. I mean, if any of y'all know any more about these, Hector, if you're watching this, I mean, I don't know if you actually watch my YouTube, but if you do, let me know what you think about this, Hector, and Tim, and everybody, everyone. You can always comment. The only time I don't allow comments on my channel is when you're an idiot and you start name calling or go straight to insults. You're blocked. Like, I don't play games. So anyway, if y'all are interested in having a good conversation though, like a good chat, that's fine. Always welcome that. I'm never not. The only people I don't welcome is trolls. So if that's you, then you're not welcome. You can just do whatever you want to do, I guess. Anyway, keep disliking the videos you like. It doesn't matter to me. Peace.